What's going on, guys? So yes, my kit came in the mail today, and I'm actually kind of surprised. It came in one day early, and it came in a hard case. A really nice hard case to keep stuff in order. Now, let's go over the 9 or so different sizes that we got in the mail. Now, remember, each size is going to go bigger, bigger, bigger until the very end. Now, we're starting off with a 14 gauge, which is not much different than what's already pierced in my ear. A 14 gauge is just a size bigger than what that normal standard piercing is, which is either a size 18 or 20. But mine started with a 14, so we're going to start with a 14. So tomorrow's video, this is where we're going to start. I'm showing you all the kit today so y'all could, get familiar with it. This is a 14. The next time is going to be a 12 gauge. Now, they're going down by 2 every time. The lower the number, the bigger the stuff. That is a 12. This is a 10 gauge. Getting bigger and bigger. 10. Now, 8 gauge looks different. It has the plugs, I believe. Don't correct me if I'm wrong, but they have the plugs, the silicone plugs in there. Sleeves, what are we going to call them. And then you can start seeing through it. So this is an 8 gauge. They're definitely getting bigger. So they give you that, and they give you different options to put inside your ear. What I'm going to put inside my ear are these right here, these little ones. You shove the big one through until it goes to the very end right here. And then you shove this one behind it to plug your ear. Now, we're getting to a 6 gauge. Things are starting to heat up, okay? This is a 6 gauge. You can tell they're getting bigger. Alright, that's a 6 gauge. This is where the wife is going to stop. She wants to stop herself at a 2. Alright, it's a 2 gauge. Getting bigger. There's a 4 gauge. That's even bigger. This is a 4. This is a 0. That is a 0. Okay? Or sorry. Yeah. That's a 0 gauge. That stops the table right there. Alright, that's a 0. This is where I'm going. Double zeros. Alright? This is a double 0. Now, I want to show you the size difference between where I'm going to start and where I'm going to end. Okay? These are 14 gauges. These are double zeros. Okay? Look at the size difference. Now, you might be saying to yourself, you're going from this to, like a small, 380, like a 20-06 or something. Pretty much a rifle round is what this is. You might be saying to yourself, well, you're going to put that through your ear. That's, wow. Now, in between takes or in between videos is probably going to be about anywhere from 2 weeks to a month in between videos. A month at the most, because you want time to heal. I've seen people just take them and shove them right on through and be done with it. You got to gradually stretch your ear out or you're going to have blowouts. You're going to be nasty, scarred up. You want to do this right, okay? If I'm going to do this, we're going to do it by the book and right. I know some of y'all don't want me to do it, but I've done a lot of research. And even if you don't do it, still support me. You can still, tell me not to do it, but still care about me enough, okay? But that's what I'm doing. Tomorrow's video is going to start my journey of doing it. I highly recommend y'all tune in tomorrow. Hit that bell. Let's try to get 7 likes on this video. It's not hard. So that's the kit that came in the mail. And, yeah, you're pretty much, where do they go? You're going, pretty much going from a 14 to a double 0. That's the starting point. Right here, ending point, starting point. Ending point, starting point. Thank y'all for watching. If you have any questions, I'll answer them down below in the comment section. I love you people. Y'all stay great. And I'll catch y'all tomorrow at about noon, my time, Florida time. And, yeah, we'll get this show on the road and start the journey of gaping these ears. Gaping. No, I promise I didn't watch porn before I did this video. We're gonna gauge my ears, not gape them. Wow, that was about to start a whole nother video and had to put 18 on that video. But I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Y'all stay great.